Are these for real? Images have hit the public domain of Formula One models relating to the new Brad Pitt F1 movie and McDonald's. These pictures are, allegedly, from the manufacturing facility in China. Which countries are going to get them? How will they be distributed? Are they destined for McHappy Meals? Or are they exclusive gifts for moviegoers or McDonald's VIPs? As of this recording, who knows? There's been nothing official announced. It's hard to tell the scale, but these models look very similar to the 1/43rd scale diecasts that Bburago has been producing the past couple of years. They're not branded Bburago, as evidenced by the different base plate, and there's variances in a few other areas, such as the suspension, rear wing mount, and camera pods. If the quality of these images is accurate, they far exceed a typical toy from a Macca's meal. I reckon the Apex GP and McDonald's liveries look pretty cool and will be popular. And maybe I won't need to do a Code 3 of the Sonny Hayes F1 movie car after all. Now, subscribe for more model race car builds, news and reviews. Cheers.